Do you want better internet security? Today we are comparing Next DNS and Cloudflare. Both are popular tools for protecting your online privacy, but they have some key differences. Next DNS and Cloudflare both help block unwanted content and improve your browsing experience. They work by filtering out ads, trackers, and harmful websites. This way you can surf the web more safely. Let's start with Next DNS. It offers a customizable experience. You can set specific rules for what you want to block. It also provides detailed analytics so you can see how it's working. NextDNS is great for users who want full control over their online safety. Now, let's look at Cloudflare. It's well known for its speed and reliability. Cloudflare also blocks ads and trackers, but it focuses more on performance. It helps websites load faster while keeping them safe. If you want a quick solution that just works, Cloudflare might be the better choice. So, what are the main differences? Next DNS gives you more control and customization. You can tailor it to your needs. On the other hand, Cloudflare is all about speed and ease of use. It's simple to set up and forget about. When it comes to features, NextDNS shines with its detailed reporting and customization options. Cloudflare excels in performance and reliability. Both tools are effective, but they serve different types of users. In terms of pricing, NextDNS has a free tier with limited features. For more options, you'll need to pay. Cloudflare also has a free plan, which is quite popular. For advanced features, you can choose a paid plan. In the end, if you want control and customization, go for NextDNS. If you prefer speed and simplicity, Cloudflare is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.